Hello, this is a quick demo of an early prototype to gather feedback for a tool that allows you to create segmentation maps for Stable Diffusion. It's like a mini 3D application. You can add primitives. You've got some simple things. I'm going to add a base. You've got some basic editing tools that allow you to do things like scale, rotation, translations. And you can change the items, essentially material, into something that's correct for segmentation. Here I'm just putting a massive piece of grass down, and are a few objects. I'll add a car. Move him up a little, away a little. Move the grass down a bit. And a tree. Maybe another one. And you have a preview in the bottom right that just gives you an idea of, well, an exact idea of what you're building. Place the car. I'm going to pop a man in. You can change their poses to something quite simple. Bring him a little bit closer to the camera. So there's plenty of janky bugs and it's not perfect. This is a very early prototype, but just trying to gather feedback. Once you've created your scene, maybe I'll just rotate that car. Might make it a little bit bigger. There we go. That's fine. Then you can click on either the snapshot button up here or the snapshot preview here, and it will download the image. There you go. We've got that. And then we can load this into Stable Diffusion. Now I'm going to redo that. I had one of the elements selected. There we go. Try again. There you go. Much better. There you go. Great. Let's load that in and see what it generates. Okay, great. So here I am in automatic. Just as an example, I'm going to just create some very varied impressionist paintings. So here we go. There's my first one of a random landscape. Now, if I load in my control net, here's a picture from that we generated. I have the control net module set up, and I have my segmentation model. We don't need a preprocessor. And yep, we've got a segmentation model. I'm going to leave everything pretty much as the default just to test this out. And then off we go. Another nice landscape. I haven't clicked the enable tick box. So that's just a quick demonstration to show you don't actually need your prompt to even match your control net. Your control net can pick up the cues from it. But if we add in what's actually there into the prompt, we can, I think hopefully we can improve what we'll get back. There we go. That's, yeah, it's got everything in the right position. And I think we can probably improve the prompt a bit more and get a better result. But there you go. That is control net up and working. There we go. Now for Euler A generated impressionist paintings. And great. Our again, 4 more, all looking like they've followed our positional segmentation map correctly. Great, just an example of how to use the tool. thanks. And yeah, please do try it out and send feedback, please.